Yes.
Okay, Shruti, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. A very good morning and a warm welcome to respected Dr. Meghna Bellare, ma'am, Director, Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Research, Dr. Vishal Vadaskar, sir, Associate Director, D.Y. PIMR, and today's resource person, Ms. Mahua Chakravarti, ma'am, a psychotherapist, a counselor, and a coach, and all the faculty members and my dear friends. On behalf of Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Research, I, Ms. Shruti, extend a warm welcome to you all for today's session on stress management. And it's a privilege to have with us Ms. Mahua Chakravarti, ma'am, as a resource person. Dear friends, it is said that mental health is not a destination, but a process. It's about how you drive, not where are you going. So on this note, I take this opportunity to introduce today's resource person, Ms. Mahua Chakravarti, ma'am. Ma'am has been graduated from Nagpur University and completed her MA in clinical psychology and BA from Pune University. She is trained in various areas such as CBT, corporate training for burnouts and stress management from NIM HNS Bangalore. Ma'am is having 30 plus years of experience and held various positions in corporate, academics, student and client interactions. She is actively engaged in counseling sessions and therapeutic interventions based on stories and learnings. Ma'am is a confident counselor, a compassionate trainer, and a caring person towards her clients to give them the best in any given situation. Ma'am is currently empaneled with FTII and MIT, Media and Film Division, and is self-employed as a psychotherapist, a counselor, and a trainer. She has also been associated with Vibgyor Group of Schools and worked in multinational company. Ma'am, we are very fortunate to have you with us for today's session. Now,
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request Dr. Meghna Bellare, ma'am, to virtually felicitate our guest speaker, Ms. Mahua Chakravarti, ma'am.
That's nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Virtually. And
lovely flowers. Thank you.
Each and every word said about Madam is true because she is a very good friend of mine and a very loving and caring person, as you will know from her session. But a solution for everything, I would say. She is the one, a solution for everything. Anytime available friend. So hope you enjoy my session and welcome over once again.
My friends, they call me 3 a.m. friends, like anytime 3 baje phone karo, kisko phone karna hai.
Same for me as well. So, yeah. And you can start your session.
Right. First of all, thank you. I mean, listening to my own, all these bada lines really makes me very overwhelmed. But basically, I'm thankful to having me, on board and giving me this opportunity to connect with so many students, so many children, teenagers, young adults. I mean, the most important, what I enjoy doing is connecting with teenagers. That's my forte, you can say. So I'm really thankful to Meghna ma'am for that. Chandani ma'am for coordinating. I'm not too good with the media thing. So kabhi kuch gadbad ho jayega, so you will help me out with, maybe if I'm losing out on certain things, just ping me, right?
Sure, ma'am, sure.
So, good morning to all of you, students. My one request is, can I see all your faces? It's very dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Will it be possible?
Yes, students, please turn on your cameras.
Please turn on your cameras.
I think, ma'am, due to low bandwidth or some network issues, all students are not able to turn on their cameras, I guess.
Yeah, not a problem. Yeah. Not a problem. But stay with me, otherwise I'll feel like speaking to somebody who's not around.
Yes, yes.
So I would love to see your faces on and off. Please feel free, feel comfortable. Show me your faces and let's begin. But can I hear a good morning or a hi from unmute your thing and listen to your voice at least? Is it possible?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Yeah,
morning,
good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Now this is great. Now I'm
Good
feeling
morning,
like I'm
ma'am.
some. Good morning. Yes, great. So thank you once again. Let's begin. And one thing before I begin, I want to tell that I will not be speaking all the time. I need you guys to ask me, stop me, intervene in between. Just whatever comes in your mind, you can interact with me. I do not want to make it a very boring kind of a 1 hour session between us. Chalega?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
cool. So as I got this flower, the bouquet, like in normal circumstances, I would have been in your auditorium maybe. You guys will be sitting somewhere looking at me, trying to interact, having different vibes. And maybe it was a compulsory thing to sab aake baithte the shayad ki nahi baithna hai, even if you don't want it. But this is going to be very interesting and very informative for all of you. So, as I said, normal circumstances, which means that I'm talking about a period of our time now, which is, I won't say it is abnormal, but I can say, or we can say that it's new normal. We're talking about new normal. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Suddenly,
Yes,
since
ma'am.
March 2020, I think around 22nd or 23rd of March, we suddenly came to know that sab band ho raha hai. Everything is shutting down. We get into a situation where we are not able to meet our friends, we are not able to go out, we have been crammed into our houses, very fearful, very frustrated, very worried about what's going to happen next. And it really brought us into that situation where it was absolutely chaotic and confusion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And if I have to look a little back, previous to our pandemic lockdown situation, curfew situation, you people were going to college, you were attending classes, meeting your friends, hanging around in your college kattas and all these places. That was a normal thing, right? That was something which is our comfort zone. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So then when we are pushed into that situation since last 2020, I will say that we were asked to leave our comfort zone and adapt or get into a situation where we had to do something to move on in life, right? And when we say this, it is mostly or it is usually related to something which as human species we are designed to do. We are designed to adapt. We are designed to evolve in our journey. Hmm? We are not, like, you heard of dodos? Have you heard of dodos?
Yes, ma'am.
Who are dodos? Tell me, somebody is trying.
Bird like.
Yes, it was a bird. It got extinct in the 17th century, to be precise. So it was found in an island near Mauritius. And these sailors, they found it and they thought, okay, this is something very different. And within a span of years, it just vanished because it could not evolve. I don't want to get into the history, but it could not adapt. It could not adapt to different other. So it was an endemic species. So now in layman's language, we call it a dodo hai kya? Are you a dodo? That means what? Are you not able to move on in life? But we were not dodos. We adapted. We moved on, right? We tried new technology. Now we are connected over Zoom. Of course, definitely the field might not be the same, but then we are still trying to achieve something out of this, right? So we adapted. We went ahead and did the best that we could do in the given circumstances, right? Yes? Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now another perspective. After this, I'm going to ask you your perspective. So be very ready. So another perspective, my neighbor, they have a small toddler, ek chota sa bachcha, like he was born in 2019 and by the time it was pandemic, he saw people with masks, people washing hand or using something sanitizing. And a couple of weeks back, I was asking the mother, "Kya chal raha hai?" So they said, "Kyo he has joined preschool." So I said, "What preschool? Online preschool?" So for him, he knew nothing before this. So for him, everything which is virtual is normal, right? What is new normal for us was very normal for that child. You agree on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So what I'm trying to bring in here is a perspective. Our perspective changes by situation. Whatever situation we are put in, our perspective start changing from there, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
taking it ahead, like for example, suppose you imagine how many of you are like outdoor people, like you want to go outdoor, exercise, get into fitness training. How many of you? Mostly, some of you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
You like?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's that? Yes, ma'am. I could see. Can I see your face? Who's that? Where are you? Can you please tell your name? Sandesh.
Prashant, ma'am.
Prashant. Okay, Prashant. Right. So, yeah, what I'm trying to say is suppose if somebody tells you, come on, we'll go for 10 kilometers running, you will be going into it, or you will at least try to get involved in outdoor activity, taking into consideration your physical fitness, right? How fit you are to do that. And if you are not, and you're still interested, you will make yourself fit. That means there is a constant awareness about things that we can do or we need to do when we talk about physical fitness, right? I'm just sailing you into the journey of mental fitness or mental health. The reason why I'm here. When we talk about mental health, I like to refer it as mental well-being. Okay? So there are parameters to understand physical well-being. We do a blood test, we have MRIs, kuch ho gaya, तो पता चलता है कि this is how we need to, go and seek professional help. We need to go to a doctor. But we do not do the same thing when it comes to mental well-being. Maybe because there is lack of awareness or lack of something, or maybe some confusion, some hesitation, but we are not very open. It's been decades that we have been talking about mental health, but rarely people are acknowledging it on time to time or trying to bring it in the focus. You agree with me on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Like since 10, 15 years, I'm into this. And when I see people coming to me, they have been mentioning, "Ma'am, ये तो मुझे 1.5-2 साल से हो रहा है," या "Ma'am, मैं तो बचपन से ही ऐसा हो रहा है." So this is what I'm trying to bring your attention, all of yours attention, is because you are young adults and you are somewhere going to have more exposure in the society as you grow ahead in life. So for you to knowing what I'm going to take you into now is very important. So what I'm trying to tell you here is about mental well-being, and I like, or I prefer using the 3 A's. I call it as 3 A's of mental well-being. The first is awareness, second is acceptance, and third is acknowledgement. I want to leave you with these 3 words for a second to process it and tell me, what do you understand by awareness or acceptance or acknowledgement?
Aware for all things.
Aware for? I didn't catch you. Aware for? There's no right wrong answer. Please feel free to talk. I'm okay with all.
Of our surroundings is awareness.
Yes. About our surrounding is awareness. About yourself is awareness. Awareness is basically being very mindful about your situation. I'm referring more about the pandemic situation because now we are like cooped up inside with our people around us. We hardly see people go out. I mean, now it has started becoming a little normalizing, but initial days were, everything was in the head. I mean, kya karna hai, samajh hi nahi raha tha. And we were just processing our own thing. Maybe I refer my own family, like I was in my own zone. Maybe my children were on their own zone and become very ignorant about what's happening in my surrounding or to my neighbors. किसी का फोन नहीं आ रहा है या लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी या किसी को पूछो तो दे से कि हाँ सब ठीक है चलता है all is well. You know, it is more that these three words, the three letters or three words are very intermingling. When we are aware of our surrounding, when we are aware of ourselves, when mindful about ourselves, which means I'm accepting the situation. I'm not talking about only mental health. It is a generic form. It is a very organic behavior of human beings that I'm aware of my surrounding. I'm accepting the things that is happening. Now, what is the difference between accepting it and acknowledging it? Can somebody tell me? What is acknowledgement?
Ma'am, acknowledging is to know that it is there, but accepting it is to accept it, whatever it is.
Accepting is, okay, I accept it. I will take action on that or not is my decision. I accept it. Yes, you are right. But what I do about that acceptance, have I acknowledged that and have I taken it into action is my, so acknowledgement is more about taking action of your acceptance. You agree on this part with me that I'm acknowledging? जैसे आप देखो आप when you buy something, when you're buying something, you get a receipt. What is that receipt? It's an acknowledgement that you have bought something from a place, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the mental well-being needs these three things. We might not take action for something in physical well-being. Might not. Let's say, for example, somebody will tell me, you know what, you're gaining a lot of weight, you need to go and do some exercise and, you know, get into a fitness regime. I understand that. I accept that. But maybe I'll not take action on that. I'll see, theek hai. Nahin, I'm happy, I'm satisfied with what I do. And that's how I move ahead in this. But I'm sorry, I had to go for a second. Yeah. So coming back to these three words, we need to understand that we need to bring a lot of acceptance and acknowledgement what we are aware about. So far, so good? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to in between give you some brainstormers, you know, you need to interact, you need to get to me about it because somewhere I might get a lot of information from you, from your side, because you all are there out there learning new things, reading new things. Maybe you will enlighten me on certain areas, which is very important for me. So don't hold yourself, just talk to me, okay? I would have been happy if I can see you all also, but I don't know how to go about that. Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh God, this is so eerie. You can see me, but I can't see you. Okay, coming back to the topic about these three A's. Sailing it into the understanding that, okay, I know my acceptance. I know my mental well-being. मुझे पता है, होते रहता है. It's fine. But how do I differentiate that? When do I acknowledge it? Maybe I wake up in the morning and I'm not feeling good in my head. I'm stressing out, or maybe I'm irritable. Maybe I'm angry. Maybe I'm sad. That's not when I need to always acknowledge that in the sense that I need help. I can acknowledge, हाँ ठीक है, आज mood ठीक नहीं है, चलता है, right? the difference between when we acknowledge or think that, okay, I need help, or the demarcation between it's okay to feel the way I'm feeling, but it's not okay to feel the way I'm feeling for a prolonged time. That understanding is very important, which we call as red flags. You must have heard this word red flags, right? Yeah? Where are we? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav,
Yes, ma'am.
what are red flags?
I'm saying I'm not heard about it.
No, you haven't heard.
No, ma'am.
Who knows the word? What are red flags?
I'm खतरे की घंटी.
Correct. है ना? फिर वो कब पता चलता है घंटी का बजनी है?
हम जब भी कुछ मैम ऐसा होता है.
क्या होता है?
मैम मतलब कुछ भी कुछ ऐसा अंदाजा हो जाता है मैम कि कुछ मतलब सही नहीं है.
That something dangerous is going to happen.
Is it always about that, or is it also internal? Like for example, अभी नहीं सही लग रहा है मुझे. ठीक है, मुझे किसी से बात करने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही है, मुझे मैसेज का जवाब देने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही है, मुझे आई एम डिसइंटरेस्टेड. मैं एक हफ्ते पहले तक जो कर रहा था, अब मुझे बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है.
Yes, ma'am, it happens.
है ना? So those are internal red flags. कुछ external red flags जो खतरे की घंटियां पहले से पता चल जाता है, यार ये गड़बड़ होने वाला है. That is different. Something which your internal system will tell you कि सही नहीं चल रहा है, मजा नहीं आ रहा लाइफ में, गड़बड़ है, right? If that period is for a long period of time, I mean for maybe 15 days, 20 days, मैं उसी mood में, उसी वही चल रहा है, those are the red flags for us to understand. ठीक है? But then there are triggers outside world में जो हमें इस तरीके की feel, जैसे for example Instagram ले लो, influencers ले लो, right? Now the moment you are on Instagram, I mean 2-3 दिन पहले I was watching a reel, Vicky Kaushal ना, जो एक्टर है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, विकी कौशल का मैं रील देख रही थी. He was showing some how fit he is, so he was doing some exercise. वो proper उसका पूरा props, no, the sweat and all, and मस्त वो डोले शोले बना रहा है and all those things, and it gave me a lot of complex, thinking कि बंदा कितना खुश है, कितना मजा आ रहा है लाइफ में उसका. I mean, so many reels I watch. Some are going holidaying, some are go मस्ती कर रहे हैं, घूमने जा रहे हैं, trekking पे जा रहे हैं, and it gives a kind of a feeling that I'm missing out. We call this as FOMO. FOMO बोलते हैं ना? What are FOMOs? FOMO तो पता होगा यार.
Fear of missing out.
Yes. So the fear of missing out is something which becomes the major, or which has become the most important concerning areas when we are connected online for most of our work, whether पढ़ाई करने के लिए connected है या friends के साथ connected है, movie के लिए connected है, हमारा outdoor बंद हो गया है, we are cooped up in our families. That is the time when we are getting so influenced with our social media. So I take another red flag is the social media platform. So how long you are spending watching those things, which is just a setup, जो हमारी जिंदगी का हिस्सा नहीं है, जो हमें सिर्फ थोड़े वक्त के लिए खुश कर रहा है और बाकी टाइम स्ट्रेस में डाल रहा है. I'm bringing that word stress now. The topic that we have to go into today is stress management. So हमें stress में लाने का one of the primary platform is the social media platform, the influencers, the Instagram, Facebook, reel पे reel चले जा रहा है. So that is one of our red flags. मैं red flags इसके बारे में बात कर रही थी. So ये जब एक वो मूवी था ना, डियर जिंदगी, देखा डियर जिंदगी?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have watched डियर जिंदगी, शाहरुख खान की, आलिया भट्ट की?
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें शाहरुख खान एक सेंटेंस बोलता है, क्या बोलता है वो? मैं इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ, बोलता तो बहुत कुछ है, but that particular sentence makes a impact. You know, he says कि जब जिंदगी में पैटर्न बनता हो, सुना है यह सेंटेंस, कि जिंदगी में जब पैटर्न बनता दिखे तब समझ जाना कुछ गड़बड़ है. पैटर्न इन द सेंस नेगेटिव पैटर्न. One thought bringing in another thought, bringing in another thought. Are you there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how many thoughts we have in an hour? किसी को पता है? Google करके देख सकते हो. How many thoughts per hour?
Hundreds.
One more guess. Swapnil is not talking.
65,000.
1 hour में नहीं है boss. 1 hour में 6,200 hypothetically. 1 घंटे में हम 6,000 thoughts process करते हैं. नहीं पता था ना?
No.
है ना? But हम कुछ ही thought को लेके हमारे दिन our whole day goes into thinking about only couple of thoughts. 2-4 thoughts, 10-15 thoughts. That's all. What do we do about those 6,000, 5,500 thoughts, or 5,900 thoughts? Where does it go? The brain is a very complex place. That is what we are trying to bring in your awareness today, that how do we go about in our life now? This is where we are talking about the stress part. Now, everybody says we need to manage stress. Even this particular workshop that we are into today is on stress management. But let me tell you that we are supposed to have stress. Our human body it functions with stress. We cannot be without stress. You agree on this? Have you heard that stress is good?
Yes, ma'am.
Stress is good. We need stress. Stress नहीं लेंगे तो कैसा चलेगा? So we don't need to manage our stress. What we need to understand is to manage our distress. So there are 2 types of stress. One is eustress, one is distress. Okay, I'll give you one example, then you will give me one example. Okay? Eustress is like आप track पे खड़े हो. How many of you have been, racing or running? How many have participated in track? Outdoor.
School time, ma'am.
School time, hai na? 100 meters,
Yes,
50
ma'am.
meters, or relay or whatever. When we are standing on the track and we're waiting for that banduk thing, or whatever tup thing goes and we have to run, we are stressing out there. Maybe we are perspiring, we are trembling, we are excited, we have this adrenaline rush in our body, but we do not stop. We run. And everybody is running to win, to do something, to get something. Nobody is running to lose. कोई ये नहीं सोच रहा है मैं तो हार जाऊंगा, जाने दे, नहीं भागता हूं. भागते हैं हम. That stress is called eustress. That is the enabling stress, the positive stress. Okay? Sitting outside, like you guys are MBA student. After a few years, you'll be sitting in front of corporate or office for interviews or starting your work. Just imagine you're sitting outside the interview room, waiting to be called. You're stressing out, right? We stress out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And when our name is called, do we go inside the room?
Yes, ma'am.
We go. Yes, we go. We attend our interview nicely, confidently. That's eustress. Like I had a Zoom workshop with you. I had a eustress since yesterday. Oh, I'm excited. क्या बोलना है, क्या बोलेंगे, बच्चे मेरे साथ बात करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे, will they connect with me? Will they feel comfortable with me? How can I engage them with me? और म्यूट करके भाग जाएंगे किधर, चले जाएंगे, ऐसे करेंगे. So I was having an eustress situation. I was enabling stress. Now, what is distress? Have you heard of this gymnast? क्या नाम है उसका? Simone Biles, अभी Olympic में.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard of the name Simone Weil?
Yes, ma'am. She withdrew her name
क्या हुआ?
from the competition.
Yeah,
Final.
final, last moment,
Yes, ma'am.
because of mental stress, right? That's
Yes, ma'am.
distress. So preparing for so many months, understanding that there's something going on and just leaving at the finishing line, putting it, is a distress. Okay, so that's how the difference between, like, for example, again, interview wala lete hain, ki you have an interview at 11 o'clock and at 10:45 you're stuck in a traffic jam. You are in distress. That anxiety builds up, worry, fear, embarrassment, humiliation, internal chal raha hai, kya karenge, kya bolenge, kya hoga, right? That is distress. This is the default system of our body, which is there since ages, you know, since we were in cave. हम लोग जब जंगलों में रहते थे, primitive people. It is a flight fight syndrome. Heard of flight fight? ये term सुना है? Flight fight syndrome?
Yes, ma'am.
सुना है ना? Flight fight?
Yes, ma'am.
Either we fight or we flight. That means या हम लड़ते हैं या हम भाग जाते हैं. Correct? ये जो है ये primitive time से चालू है. Like we were in caves. हमारे पास उस टाइम पे सिर्फ 4 threats होते थे. खाना कहाँ से ढूंढना है, जंगली जानवर, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, मौसम, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, शेल्टर, बस इतने ही थे. So you will be surprised to know that our brain still processes only 4 threats or 4 triggers. There are only 4 threats that our brain understands, 4 to 5 threats. But हम लोग इतना इवॉल्व हो गए, we are on the top of the ecosystem. हम इवॉल्व हो गए, हमारे लाइफ अर्बन कॉम्प्लेक्स, कितना कुछ थ्रेट्स आ गया है. But our brain only processes. So when we're talking about stressing out or getting into distress, is the time when our brain is not able to balance, not able to channelize and understand कि ये मेरे लिए कितना नुकसानदायक है. So it takes it as a threat and starts stressing out, over stressing out. And that is when we land up into distress. So stress is good, eustress is very good, but distress is unhealthy. Are you able to understand this difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Can somebody give me an example from your life, please? कि कब हुआ था तुमको eustress, कब हुआ था distress? Tell me, come on, share some experience. सोचो. Take your time.
And prior to my event clusters, ma'am, I was running 100-meter, and that was a situation when I felt like it was like a panic attack.
That was a that was a stressful distress or a eustress?
I mean, it was distress because I felt overwhelmed from it.
What about you, Raghav? Priyanka, Sahil, Prasad? I think nobody is there. Krishna. Hello.
During my first job interview, ma'am.
During your?
First job interview in 2017.
Okay. How was it?
It is useful for me, ma'am.
It was useful for you, right? You were stressing out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And still you went for your interview and you did it well.
Yes, ma'am. I got
so that
selected.
Was not. Yes, you got selected. So that's eustress, है ना? वो होता ही है. That is something which our body will need to do. It is related to our nervous system. So we will not worry about stress or how to manage stress. We don't need to manage stress. We need to manage our distresses. What are our distresses? Where are my distresses? That's the reason why I mentioned the red flags. कि मुझे distress कहाँ से हो रहा है? Fear of missing out is one of the distressing trigger for distress. सब कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm missing out on something. You know, maybe people are having fun. Peer pressure. सब जा रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Addiction, social media addiction, one of the trigger for distress. Not able to complete task. Project करना है, exams है, not able to complete task on time, distress. So these are you will, after this particular session that we had, try to take out some time and write down your pattern, your red flags, individual red flags. Just write them. You don't need to share with anybody, but write your red flags. Where do you see a pattern happening in you as an unhealthy manner, which you're not able to do it, which you're not able to take care of it, and you're stressed every day, you're waking up with something in the head. You know, it can be anxiety, it can be fear, it can be anything. It is hampering your daily life, your functionality of life. When anything hampers for more than 15 days, then definitely you need to talk to somebody. That somebody can be anybody. It can be your best friend, can be your elder brother, elder sister, younger brother, mom, dad, chacha, kaka, anybody. But talk. Talking and listening is the most primary, the primary thing in us. We need it. We need to talk about ourselves. कैसा हो रहा है? ऐसा मुझे होता नहीं था. I have spoken about it so many times. And I encourage that. At the same time, we need to listen as well. कि मेरा दोस्त कुछ कह रहा है या बहुत दिन से कुछ कह नहीं रहा है. Listen to something which has not been said also. Listen to the silence. चुप हो गया है. बहुत बातें करता था, अब नहीं बातें करता है. She used to talk so much. I don't know what happened to her. These are the examples I'm saying. I know nowadays she doesn't join. She's not here. She's not in a right headspace. We notice these things. Listen to the things that has been untold also. हम हर बार बात नहीं करते हैं, पर जो नहीं बोल रहे हैं उसे सुनना भी जरूरी होता है. We need to listen to them. That is the first A of our mental well-being, the awareness. When we are mindful about what's happening around us. Acceptance is about talking. Yes, I need help. You know, maybe your family members will help you out. Like we professionals are बाद में जब बहुत बड़ा कुछ हो रहा है कि हमसे हो नहीं रहा है, I'm not able to handle myself. Then comes the professional help. But before that, understanding your red flags or becoming aware about your red flags is the first job to remain less stressful, remain in a better space, remain in a eustress and not in a distress. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Can some of you share your experiences in your academics or in your, you know, how the pandemic has affected you? Can you please share something about yourself? Bhagyashree, Rituja, Rushali, nice name, Swapnil, Sukhraj, Sunanda. Where are you all?
Ma'am, mental disturbance. When after graduation, 2 year I have taken the gap, and for 1 year I've worked, and 1 year I've preparing for the entrance, and I tried again. Then after this COVID came, when I'm about to get admission in MBA, so it's like it's not happening anything from 18 to 20. It's like or almost 21. It's not happening, and it got stopped. For 15 years, you were good at studies, and suddenly it's like people are also saying that I think you should stop trying right now, because it's already you have wasted 2 years and you can't get, and I think the lockdown will go and it will not get started. So it's like I've stopped talking. I used to be a talkative girl, but I'm like, and even in that Sushant case, it is also in a social media. Everybody is talking about that, and that is also not affected much. But I think it is sad and quite disturbing as well. So that's what.
Yeah.
Later on, it started. So we have started
Yeah.
recovering.
Thank you, Sony. That's very nice of you to share that piece of information. On the same thing, I would like to say, and a little different from what we are doing now. You know, like as Indian academic or curriculum, or the way we are growing up. I'm including my generation and everything. You know what? The way we grew up, or the way हमें जिस तरीके से बताया जाता है कि आपने 10th करना है, फिर 12th करना है, फिर ग्रेजुएशन करना है, फिर कोई पीजी करना है, फिर नौकरी करनी है, right? That's how we look at our academic span, right?
Yes,
है या नहीं? सही है या नहीं? Nobody teaches us in our family or in our academics also, in our curriculum, in our educational platform also. Nobody encourages the fact also कि ठीक है यार, तो 12th के बाद में if you are not sure, just take a break. हम जो take a break बोलते हैं, वो हम in family हम उसको बोलते हैं, अरे नहीं 1 साल waste हो जाएगा, अरे 1 साल waste हो जाएगा, correct? What is this 1 साल waste हो जाना? क्या होता है 1 साल वेस्ट हो जाने से? It's not waste basically. So the main understanding about academic is it's fine. You can take a break. You can take a pause. This is what I think the pandemic has also taught us. कि रुक जाओ, ठहरो जरा सा. You know, take a back seat. Take a back seat. Understand. Like for example, my elder daughter, she also graduated last year. And she says कि नहीं, I don't know, I need time to think कि मैं क्या करूं, because pandemic में I don't want to rush myself, I don't want to, you know, do or take steps which I don't feel comfortable. She says, okay, मैं कुछ थोड़ा काम कर लेती हूँ, I'll join some company, I'll get experience, and then I'll have a better understanding about what I want to do in life. So taking a break, never think that, or try not to think, Sony, try not to think as it's a waste. You know, kuch waste nahi hota hai. You are in a very good institute now. You are doing your MBA, but futuristically also, taking a back step, 6 mahina, 8 mahina, sabbatical ho jata hai. Like I started very late in my career because priorities change ho jati hai. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमारा वक्त जो है वो waste हो रहा है. We are not wasting time. Okay? Right?
Yes,
Whatever
ma'am.
time we are not doing anything, we are learning. Try to learn different skills, try to learn, do some short-term courses along. कुछ ना कुछ अपना skills को बढ़ाते रहो. But अपने आप को waste हो रहा है, ये कभी मत सोचना. You are not getting wasted. We are getting more learned. ठीक है? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So who else wants to share? It's beautiful. Thank you, Sony, for sharing. Anybody else wants to share something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I've been going through this red flags. What are you talking about?
Going.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
it's been 3 months. I feel like continuously I feel like emptiness within me, ma'am. I don't like anything which I liked prior.
Yeah. So this is something which I was trying to bring your awareness into. This is how when we are having, even if you have a fracture, we exactly know कि अच्छा मेरे को फ्रैक्चर हो गया, अभी डॉक्टर के ऑर्थोपेडिक के पास जाना पड़ेगा, प्लास्टर लगेगा, 3 हफ्ते प्लास्टर रहेगा, उसके बाद because we have accepted our physical distress, but we are not trying to accept our mental distress.
And
or maybe something.
That's the thing, because I don't know why I'm feeling like this. Like there is no exact reason for it. I didn't feel any stress or like thing. Like it just one day and it just suddenly happened.
Yeah.
Like
so when
I felt something in chest, like a bulky feeling, like nothing is, and then this happened. I'm like, then straight 1 month, something strange was going on. I was in my mind, I was continuously telling to myself that nothing is good. Nothing is, and I was the only one who was fighting from it. No,
Yeah.
that's not true. And when there was a war of thoughts going on, like it's good. Then again the same conclusion, because ma'am, like we all know that it's all meaningless, but we gave it a meaning. I know it very clear, but again and again it says me all is meaningless, all is worthless.
Yeah.
Say no, it's not.
It's not.
So it's all good. It's a war, ma'am, continuous.
Yeah. See, when you say it's a war, I understand that war, and it is, we call it as, losing control over yourself sometimes. And you still go around having a normal life, and at the same time, there's a huge war going inside, and I get that feel. I understand that.
Yes.
And that is the reason. So always remember that there is always a reason. First of all, there is always a trigger, always a reason. It can be physiological reason, it can be environmental reasons. That means environmental triggers or physiological triggers. Sometimes, very simple deficiency of our vitamin B12 also causes distress, also causes
Ma'am,
B12.
I went to the psychiatrist for this. Ma'am, ma'am, in a very early phase of it, I told it to all my friends and my family members too. They are very supportive and chill about it, so that was not a problem. So I told to my father that I have to see someone to support me, like a psychiatrist or someone. So they took me to Ahmedabad, and all the checkups have been done. B12 deficiency, and another one was that I forgot it. So, ma'am, it was when reports are all clear, and still I am facing this.
Okay, then there has to be something more to it. I mean, something more to diagnose into it. It can be milder form of genetics, maybe घर में hereditary किसी को over worrying या over इसका issues होगा, या कुछ ना कहीं से आता है. See, it will never land up from isolation. एकदम से नहीं, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ जैसे brewing up होता है ना, we brew and then outcome comes.
I am in habit of living. We are two brothers, but ma'am, we live in village and we have no friends there. And I enjoy it, ma'am, because I spend off my time on a laptop and doing things. I love to study, so ma'am, I spend my most of the time studying. But like in these 3 months, I have lost all the interest in all those things which I do. So ma'am, I have all the time it's free. So ma'am, my mind chatters with me, and this all happens.
Okay, so then here comes something which I'm going to tell you how when we are, like most of us, with this kind of communications that we're having, this discussion we're having, I'm sure everybody out here, how many are there? 87 of you are somewhere thinking in your own head कि मेरे distresses क्या है, मेरे triggers क्या है. Definitely. So when we come to this stage, Laksharaj, I feel that if I share certain things that, when we have identified, we have known this, how do we go about? How do we manage? What are the skills that is required?
Yes,
can we, I think somebody wants to speak. Who's that? I hear somebody.
Oh, ma'am, it's me, ma'am. I said yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. So let us move a little, pay attention to what I'm trying to tell you when I say that to handle these things in ourselves, like self-help tools, something which will help you build up and stay in a healthy mental state of mind. These are the skills. I mean, these are something which you can, try out in your house. First of all, tell me how many of you wake up in the morning and make your bed? I hope everybody says yes here. We're grown up adults.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is yes, ma'am? Priya. How many of you? Come on, who makes the bed first thing in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Alternate days.
Yeah, we make our bed
Yes.
every day. Honestly.
Yes, ma'am.
Alternative days.
That's a fair answer. Priyanka, what about you? Kalyani,
Yes, ma'am.
make your bed.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is something which is very interesting. You know, it has been there are a lot of if you might hear all these things on YouTube. Also, motivational speakers, they talk about it, that the path to success is first make your bed. Heard that? Have you heard of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, it is said that why it is said like this. So, Laksharaj, this is where maybe it will become helpful for you. That what I'm trying to tell you is, in our daily chores, when you say, when you know there are 6,000 thoughts coming, so there are so many things you have to study, you have to complete your project, you have papers happening, you have your social media, उसमें भी update करके रखना है, घर में भी है, सब कुछ है, बाहर इतना नहीं है, limitations है. In all these things, the thought creates a lot of ripple. You know what are ripples?
Yes, ma'am.
Ripples. पानी में आप अगर कंकर डालोगे तो ऐसे ripples होते हैं, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the ripple creates turbulence. If you take it that way in our head, a lot of unanswered question in the head creates ripple, and those ripple creates turbulence and makes us get into the overthinking pattern. जिसका answer ही नहीं मिलता, हम ढूंढते ही नहीं है.
Yes.
So the skills that we can apply here is that we can start completing a smaller task. छोटे छोटे काम जो अपने खुद के हैं, finish them off and start appreciating. That's why we say first thing in the morning, get up and make your bed and pat yourself. Yeah, I've completed. I made the bed. I started the day. Because some of our things are very lined up. We wake up, we make our bed, we go to the washroom, we have our breakfast. Everything is lined up. So once the first job is done, start finishing chota chota kaam so that you are in grip of small task and happy about it. So start appreciating yourself for that. Clear?
Yes.
Second, every day, this is something very important. Every day, at least for 5 minutes, take a pause. At any time of the day, we call this the power of nothingness. Have you heard of this particular term ever?
No.
Power of nothingness, which means you will not have any gadgets, anything around you. Maybe sit in a balcony, maybe sit in your garden, maybe go to the terrace, but just sit and don't do anything. You will see that you will become so restless. कुछ नहीं कर रहे, thoughts चल रहे हैं, you know, like avalanche. दिमाग के अंदर में घर 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 ये हो गया, वो हो गया, इससे बात करनी थी, वो करना था, ये करना था, वो करना था. मम्मी ने बोला था कुछ सब्जी काट के रखो, मम्मी पापा ने बोला था ये लेके आओ, मेरे को ये कर. Everything is constantly in the head, and it takes 13 seconds for the brain to start subtracting. दिमाग से निकालना चालू करता है. So every second, if you're not addressing those thoughts, it is going away, which means it's like just imagine there's a garbage bin. You don't need something, you just throw it. You just throw it. So the power of nothingness, that is spend 5 minutes doing nothing. Take a pause. Don't do anything. We suggest it should be the first thing in the morning. I mean, before you begin your day, just sit doing nothing and you feel very energized, because it's more like, you know, detoxing your system. Okay?
Okay.
Do it, try it out. Then another thing that you can try out is prioritizing your day, which we do the previous night. So before going to bed, just jot down कि भाई मेरे कल क्या क्या काम है, मुझे क्या नहीं करने हैं, मुझे क्या करने हैं. And in that, just put one thing which you're going to do for yourself, only for yourself. As simple as maybe you will clean your cupboard, or you will go for a walk, or you will read four pages of a book, but anything about yourself. Maybe if you play an instrument, you will pick up a song, or maybe you will pick up another beat, or you draw, or you make art, something which you do, not for others, for yourself. Anything that you want to do, you have to list it out the previous night. So prioritize your day, next day. What is important? What is not important? What is urgent? What is not urgent? That's how we prioritize. कि कल मेरे ये काम है. And start ticking up all the smaller things. Simple to complex. छोटे छोटे काम खत्म करो, tick mark कर दो. The more you are accumulating them, your stress level is not going anywhere. It's going to be there. We stress out every day.
Yes.
The trick is how not to convert my stress into distress, because the area of distress is the area of anxiety, area of depression, area of loneliness, area of feeling overwhelmed, area of fear. These are the area of distress. What we try to tell, we can manage that. We can start doing it, and by just handling your tools, handling your skills, just understanding, patting yourself, appreciating, affirming, हाँ किया है, मस्त किया है यार, अच्छा किया है, देख कितना बढ़िया काम हो गया, चल यार ये 4 काम मेरे खत्म हो गए. Declutter, simple to complex. अगर बड़े काम है, रख दो उसको, बाद में करो. Maybe assign a time. Another skill is, have you heard of Pomodoro?
No.
Anybody? Pomodoro?
No, ma'am.
No? Pomodoro is basically a technique. It is an organizational technique. You guys are MBA students, MCA students. It's going to be very helpful for you if you apply this technique in your daily life. Now, it is a very simple way of doing it. There are 4 steps to it. Step number 1, identify a task which you can complete in 25 minutes. Okay? You can write down if you want. Identify a task which is going to be there for 25 minutes. Then finish that task. Put a timer and finish that task in 25 minutes. Once you have finished that task in 25 minutes, the alarm rings and you can stop. Stop matlab incomplete bhi raha, tab bhi stop. Stop and then entertain yourself, maybe with a cup of coffee, cup of tea, maybe listen to some music for 5 minutes. And again, come back to the job for 25 minutes. So 25 minutes ka ye cycle hota hai. 25 minutes task, 5 minutes break, 25 minutes task, 5 minutes break. This way, you will be doing it in 4 blocks, 4 stage. एक बार 4 cycle हो गया, तो वो एक माना जाता है. It's a very, very effective technique. You can use it. It will be helpful for you when you join corporate, when you join offices, when you are in your own business, you're organizing your things. It's going to help you. So 25 minutes and 5 minutes break. Is it clear?
Yes.
4 का cycle करेगा तो एक stage खत्म होता है. Then maybe your task is complete. So complex task को आप 25 minutes में बांट सकते हो. And with the break of this, in any case, generally, one more tip I want to tell you is, our brain by default system, our retention time is only maximum is 40 minutes. 40 minutes के ऊपर में we are not able to perceive anything else. हमारे दिमाग में जाएगा नहीं. इसलिए आप देखोगे स्कूल के जो क्लासेस के पीरियड्स होते थे, टाइमिंग होती थी, ड्यूरेशन होते थे, वो 40 मिनट्स का होता है एक क्लास, राइट? फिर बेल बजती थी, फिर ब्रेक होता था, फिर दूसरा क्लास चालू होता था. यस और नो?
यस मैम.
है ना स्कूल में, राइट?
यस मैम.
सो 40 मिनट्स के ऊपर में रिटेंशन होती नहीं है, रिकॉल करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. सो ट्राई टू अगेन declutter this way, which will help you not to stress out, not to get into the distress functionality, right?
Yes ma'am.
Anything else you want to tell me? What are the things that you guys have been doing when you are stressing out, when you are not able to handle? Share your experience. Tell me.
One more.
Or you can shoot your questions. Pardon.
And there is one more thing I want to ask.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like it's a strange feeling whenever I'm like doing nothing. I feel as if all the things I was doing prior, they just passed away. Whenever I'm doing something, I'm involved in it, and then I realized about me, and then I feel like that all of that which I was doing like all the time, that passed away in a snap of second, ma'am. Like I feel weird about it.
Okay.
I don't ma'am, I'm not able to understand that I was in that moment or not.
Okay, maybe you know, see, I have not met you, so I do not know. And you have been, are you on medications or something?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I met a psychiatrist, but I didn't took any medication.
Okay, fine. So you can try out different thing, because maybe I don't know your history, but maybe you have a pattern of over worrying or becoming too anxious very fast, and because of which you.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
it's actually, ma'am, I don't prior to this 3 months, I was not like this. Ma'am, I was a guy who was like chill every time.
Okay, it's okay. It happens.
Yes, ma'am. If anyone to like speak to someone or ma'am, about this situation too, I spoke to everyone, ma'am. I didn't thought that someone will think this or that, or I'm like, I don't think too much about these things, ma'am. But I am, ma'am, I'm a thinker, ma'am. I actually think about different things, like related to studies and related to, ma'am. I did one more mistake that I read about philosophy too much, like all these things about consciousness and all this.
So you have over-informed yourself on certain things, and maybe you are perceiving them differently. When you say I was chill 3 months back, try to tell yourself, okay, let's chill again. So declutter, sab band kar do padhna ye sab, because it doesn't help. Reading these philosophical or psychological books and then trying to perceive them or trying to understand them and thinking ki mujhe hua hai kya is also something is taken very seriously, that we perceive what we are seeing. That's why I was talking about social media and influencers also, that we get, why the name influencer, because they influence. So something which maybe over a period of time in a pattern has influenced us, and we are not happy with that influence. I mean, it's not helping me in my daily life with that influence. Like, then it is an unhealthy pattern. So somewhere you will have to first identify what are your red flags.
Yes.
Anybody else wants to ask something? Because there's 5-10 minutes we're going to do question answers. Shoot, ask me.
लाइक मैम, अगर हमें स्ट्रेस आता है तो एक ऐसा स्टेज आता है कि हम उसमें किसी पर भरोसा नहीं कर पाते. तो हाउ टू टैकल दिस सिचुएशन?
देखो, जब स्ट्रेस आता है और किसी पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते, as far as I can tell you, they are not always interconnected. आप किसी पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते, हो सकता है it is a pattern in you that you are not able to trust somebody, maybe with your previous experiences of somebody breaking your trust, or you are not, again able to trust anybody else. Trust is a very different thing. Trust आता है.
Yes ma'am, actually sorry to interrupt, but actually कैसे होता था कि मुझे एक्सप्रेस होना है किसी के सामने, मेरी जो फीलिंग्स जो मैंने के रखी थी उनको मेरे को किसी के सामने एक्सप्रेस करना है, बट वो कितना भी मेरे क्लोज हो, मैं उस पर भरोसा नहीं कर पाता.
हाँ, वो इसलिए होता है प्रशांत, बिकॉज हो सकता है while you were growing up, जैसे हमारे unfortunately हमारे like in our family, like even in my family, maybe when I was growing up, कभी अगर कुछ हुआ या हम अगर बोलते हैं कि मैं किसी से कुछ शेयर किया, अपने बहनों से या कजिन से, या किसी को बोला कि मुझे कुछ हो रहा है, नीड हेल्प, एंड इफ आई एम नॉट, अगर मेरी बात किसी ने समझा नहीं, एंड इफ समबडी से नहीं कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, फालतू बातें मत कर, ये सब तेरे दिमाग का है, हाँ ये सब ऐसा नहीं होता है. When somebody pushes us away or does not believe us at a very early stage, maybe teenage में, maybe 15-16 साल की एज में, if somebody has not trusted me, that's what I'm trying to say, that trust, somebody must have broken your trust, or somebody might not have trusted you. In spite of you trying to tell or share, people have not trusted you, and that's why today you fear to tell anybody else. तुम्हारे अंदर वो चीज आ गई कि hesitation आ गया कि अब मैं नहीं बोलूंगा किसी से, बोलूंगा तो nobody will trust me. So you'll have to start working on that by thinking or at least identifying even if other people, somebody trusts me or not, I need to speak. I will be speaking. कोई trust करे नहीं करे, मैं बात करूंगा. You know, and बहुत चीजें ऐसी होती है जब past में हो चुकी होती है, it becomes a reference point for us in present. जैसे अगर मैं past में past failures will always make me fear my future performances. अरे यार मैं maths में fail हो गया था यार, पता नहीं अब भी शायद fail हो जाऊंगा. So our past baggages are very heavy. We have to start leaving them aside. धीरे धीरे उतारना पड़ेगा by validating ourselves कि नहीं जो past में हुआ अब तो मैं नहीं हो सकता. I will strive. So again, distress होने का ये भी एक कारण है कि मैं कितना baggage लेके चल रहा हूँ अपने ऊपर. You know, my thought baggages. How heavy are those baggages? If I can leave them, I don't need those baggages. The more you leave those baggages, the more you will feel stress-free. Getting my point? So उसी तरीके से trust का भी एक baggage लेके शायद आप कहीं किसी ने वो baggage आपको drop करना पड़ेगा. Yeah? Anybody else? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? All good?
Yes,
anyone wants to ask me something? Please feel free to ask. There is no stupid question. There is nothing like that. Right? Saili, Prajakta.
Ma'am, if you are stressed, and what are the things you can suggest for us to relax, get relaxed?
Okay, some of the suggestions, as I said, if you're stressing out at this moment, for example, first thing that you need to do is leave that particular work in your hand. उसे आप 2 minute के लिए छोड़ दो. You're stressing out, leave it. Because with stress, you will not be able to, in any case, complete that. So just leave it. Leave it. The first thing need to be done is go and drink a glass of water. अगर आप बाहर कहीं हैं, कहीं भी है, drink a little bit of water. Then take a pause. छोड़ दो. Maybe a minute or two. Just don't do what is that particular moment of stress. And अगर हो सके तो, you know, what I suggest is do very simple thing that you start focusing on your breath. Start breathing deeply, slowly. Breathe in, stop, pause, breathe out. Very slowly, like a slow motion breathing happening in your body. The more you regulate your breath, the more you will see that you are calming down. And that is the first step to de-stress. Okay? So the understanding between de-stressing and distressing, it's a word sound change. From distress state, you have to bring yourself to de-stressing. And that is how you can do it to begin with. Focus on your breath. There are many things that you can do. You can start practicing very important breathing exercises, the pranayams of meditation. You know, there are simple pranayam exercises, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing is the most important tool to relax ourselves at any given point of time, So focus on your breath, close your eyes, leave everything. कुछ भी नहीं होगा 2-3 मिनट का. आप अगर गैप ले लोगे, दुनिया इधर से उधर नहीं होने वाली है. But when we are stressing out, हमें ऐसा लगता है नहीं, मेरा ये काम अभी खत्म करना है, मुझे मेरे से नहीं होगा, क्या हो जाएगा? Get that awareness कि नहीं, I'm going to take a pause. Remember these words, take a pause, leave it. बिल्कुल छोड़ दीजिए. Then focus on your breath. Have a glass of water. De-stress yourself. Right? Okay, Soni?
Yes, ma'am.
Lavish, anything? Brushali, you want to ask something? Priyanka? Shruti? Any more questions? No? इसके बाद question paper आने वाला है. So I hope you can answer the question paper then. Will you be able to answer the question paper? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka?
100%, ma'am.
Oh, that means I am a good teacher then. I taught you well.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah? Okay. Thank you. But I feel that you can ask me some questions. I'll be glad to answer them at this platform, but I'm also available any point of time. But utilize this, take this opportunity to ask me if at all there are queries, if at all there is something that you need to know more about. What is eustress? What is distress? Stress management, as I said, is a very broad umbrella. We can bring in, and 1 hour is a very less time also to make you aware about other things. There are the nervous system, how it is working, the adrenaline and the cortisol in the brain, which is the chemical in the brain, which stresses us. So stress we need. Some stress are involuntary, we don't even know. Sleeping and waking up in the morning and getting out of the bed, even if we don't have stress, we won't be able to do it. So stress is the momentum of a human system program. So don't worry about stress. Sometimes you're stressing out on maybe girlfriend, maybe boyfriend, maybe friend, maybe romantic relationship, maybe conflict in any other relationship. Maybe you're stressing out on your academics, career, future. Maybe you're stressing out on something in the family, within the family, in your friend circle. There will be always triggers like this. Do not worry about it till it is beyond your handling, till you feel, no, I need to take a pause. I need to reflect inside. I need to see, become more aware about myself. I need to accept, and then I need to acknowledge it. And that's what I'm talking about. How to identify and the tools, and stay away from influencers, stay away from Instagram as much. Block the influence. We don't need influencers in this pandemic time, boss. We need to become our own influencer. Take each day as a challenge and influence yourself to go ahead in life. Do not focus outside, like limit it. Of course, definitely we need social media. I am also on Instagram and I'm also watching so many things. There's nothing wrong in it. But to understanding that where I need to stop, because we just go into the trail. We need to maneuver our way. So instead of managing your stress, maneuver your stress. It's a roller coaster ride. Just go through that ride, enjoy your life, have fun, get through the adrenaline rush, be adventurous, be positive. Even if positive things are not happening, it will happen. Just have that hope in your head that, okay, I'm hopeful that things will change. But then if there are some distressing factors, address them. Okay? So with that, I would like to end this and thank you all for joining me here. It was a great, great, great pleasure, and hope to see you all in good health. Stay safe. Take care of your family, take care of your health, and we'll meet up soon some days, right? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Take good care. Thank you, Prasad. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you, Debashri. Thank you, Pranita. Shraddha, thank you. Priya, thank you. Rituja, Simran, thank you so much. Deblina, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ronak. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day ahead. Yes, Shruti. Yes, Chandani, ma'am. You have any question? You haven't asked me anything. Thank you, Sandesh.
Students, if you are having any questions, you can ask.
I'm there. I'm there. I'm hanging on.
You can type on chat box or you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, you can chat. Okay. Yes. Let me look up the chat.
Yes, actually, ma'am, there's some network issue at the end of some students. That's why they can ask on the chat box.
No problem. No problem. Not a problem at all. Roll number 309. I like this thing. Who's this roll number? So can I say hi to you? Roll number 309.
I think he's from MCA.
Okay, okay. No, I couldn't see the name, so that's why I said roll number 309. Right, ma'am. Yes, Nani, ma'am. What else?
No, ma'am. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Good afternoon.
Okay, it's Diksha. Diksha from
Diksha here.
MCA.
Hi, Diksha.
MCA.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am, thank you
for
so
joining.
much for the wonderful session. Actually, students enjoyed a lot, I guess.
I hope so.
Yes, they just want to propose a vote of thanks, formal vote of thanks.
Thank you.
Just 2 minutes. Okay, Shruti, over
Yeah,
to you.
sure.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to extend and express my sincere vote of thanks to Ms. Mahua Chakravarti, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words and inspirational guidance to all of us. You have covered these points that very well. Mental well-being need to be managed with that 3 A's, that is awareness, acceptance, and acknowledgement. And you also explained us the very good difference between the eustress and distress.
Yes.
So I'm definitely that students have received a lot of insight about the understanding of the stress management.
I hope so. I really hope so. Yeah.
And like also I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Meghna Bhilare ma'am for providing us encouragement for this event. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all the participants for cooperating and interacting with ma'am and making this event memorable. Thank you one and all, and thank you once again, ma'am, for your profound knowledge with us, sharing with us, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time with us and guiding our students in different manner. The students enjoyed a lot. I
hope so.
I could hear throughout the session that they were interacting with you, and it was a great pleasure for us.
Yeah. Otherwise, बहुत boring होता है. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We would love to hear from you again, and then we'll
definitely. My pleasure. My pleasure. Always there. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye all.
Students, the feedback link is shared on the chat box. You can give your feedbacks over there. Shruti, can you please share the link?
Yes, please share your feedbacks, whatever. I mean, if you need anything that I haven't spoken about, or maybe, I need to touch base on some other areas, you have confusion, please message me. Not a problem.
Yes, ma'am. We can connect. Definitely. We will connect you. If there is a confusion in the minds of the students, definitely we'll get back.
Yes, please. Anytime. Right? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye, ma'am. Take care.